Yeah.
This end off, put a piece of 1/2-inch water pipe,
Yeah.
weld it, and paint it silver.
Yeah.
Now,
No, this is a good
Mercedes
idea.
doesn't sell these to the average man.
Yeah.
I've learned a lot from his website.
Oh yeah, I know. He has a lot of videos.
But this made a difference because I straightened it out.
Instead of using the open wrench,
Yeah,
you
open
can just use one.
And then
yeah, that's
flattened
awesome.
it too a little
bit. That's perfect.
Yeah, it fits in there fine, see?
Yeah.
And that way you can break them loose.
Yeah, it won't strip or anything.
Well, I think the best would be a 6-point wrench.
Yeah, 6-point. Yeah, but these should be fine.
Well, you want the bite that you can get with a 12-point.
right.
But anyways,
it's kind of hard to find the 6-point wrenches. You know, you can probably find them online.
Oh, I'd have to
a lot.
order.
Yeah, because a lot of them are just like 12-point.
I don't have
for
a
some
problem
reason.
with the 12-point.
Yeah, I don't know why they could just do it 6-point, right? I mean, sometimes you get the bolts that are like 12-point, but
The problem with the 6-point is with a 12-point you have more places to grab the bolt.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's actually probably that's why they did it this way.
Well, I'm sure Mercedes sells a tool for $342.60.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like before, I don't know how many years ago, like because the coil springs on these cars, like you have to use a spring compressor to take them out.
Yeah.
And the spring compressors used to be like so expensive, you know, because only Mercedes was making them. And then
They do that on purpose.
right now, like there's a lot of aftermarket spring compressors like that you can use for these cars. And
it was the tooth.
Oh yeah.
The tooth. And now what I'll do is I'll take off the
the fan shroud. Yeah.
And the fan is an assembly, and then I'll put a piece of cardboard down in front of it while I work.
Exactly.
I see no reason to pull the radiator.
Oh no, you don't have to do that.
And when I got down under there to drain the fluid, this wheel is all covered with brake fluid. So that's probably my problem.
It could be, yeah. Is it the brake hose or the brake caliper, or
I don't know.
we have to see, yeah.
Yeah,
because what I was thinking, if everything is dry, if there's no leaks, then it's most likely the master cylinder problem,
Well,
but
when
if you saw the leak, then that's why.
Well, when I started it today, I had perfect brakes.
Perfect brakes.
After the 3rd or 4th application,
They go all the way to the
back
floor.
to manual.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that's what it was.
Probably. See, it's awesome to work with the gloves. It's.
Well, these I did because of the antifreeze.
Oh, the antifreeze.
I'll put the cloth ones back on.
Oh yeah.
But it's just the idea.
Oh yeah.
This one will work like this.
It's awesome. Your engine oil cooling lines are in perfect shape.
Yeah. Well, the trans cooling lines are not so good.
Oh, the trans cooling lines.
They're leaking in the bottom.
A little bit.
A whole lot.
I think one trans cooling line is like maybe, I don't know how much, $8 you can get them for $8, and then it's by the radiator.
It's the two pieces up front that tie into the metal line.
Right. That's awesome. Yeah, hopefully it's not gonna rain so bad. If it does, supposed to.
70% chance.
70% chance, huh?
Oh, you had your transmission jack in the backyard.
Oh yeah, I was.
I put it in the garage.
Oh, you did?
Here.
Oh, that's okay. I mean, that's why I got the tarp. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I got the tarp. Just in case.
But
Yeah.
it's like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, but that's a trans jack I used to remove the trans with, and it was pretty good.
Yeah, if it does the job.
It does the job, Because with the regular jack, I mean, it's there's a big disbalance.
Back and forth and
123s everywhere.
That crud just from
Oh yeah.
all them years.
Uh-huh.
Makes me think it was original,
It is original.
No, I mean the water pump.
Because I don't think that, they would put a Mercedes water pump on. I don't know.
Most people wouldn't.
Yeah. Nice. Too bad. I still have to finish my headlights. I haven't finished that yet. But we're working on this 300D. We're just replacing the water pump here and the thermostat housing because the water pump was leaking. So we're just doing that. And then as you can see, the fan shroud was removed with the fan. All that. These are my headlights. There's a bunch of rust inside and flaking of this fog lamp assemblies. There's the parts. They're pretty clean, all cleaned up already.
Put your screws there in that little bag.
Where's that water pump? I was gonna show you some people how
Old
it
one?
looks. Yeah, the old one. There is the old one. And it's got a Mercedes sign on its original. But yeah, it was leaking from this hole right there, meaning that it was time to for this thing to be replaced. Also, when you try to turn it, it's kind of a little rough. So it's good we're changing it.
Yeah, I think it's just
Nice.
at the
And
end
then
of its
also,
life.
yeah, this part right here, it's pretty bad. It's so deteriorated. It was sitting. Yeah, it was sitting right there. It's this small coolant hose that you can get at Napa or any parts store. They will cut it for you.
I've actually bought a foot of it. It's
Foot of it,
44
yeah,
millimeters.
yeah, right.
44 millimeter line.
Yeah. It's awesome.
I put that piece of cardboard
Yeah,
there to
right.
direct the water off of the alternator.
Yeah, so it's not gonna go in there.
Let's
Okay.
Look at that bracket.
Yeah.
That bracket there on
Which bracket?
the alternator to block bracket.
Yeah.
Look at the crud on it.
Yeah, it is. A lot of it.
Wow. Look at that.
Uh-huh. Well, now we got some brake cleaner, so we can clean it up nicely.
Put my bandana outside to dry.
Oh. It's good they give you the tip right there.
Makes a big difference.
Yeah.
Poor man's car wash.
Yeah.
But absolutely clean is absolutely clean.
Necessary.
Sure it is.
Oh yeah, look how clean it's getting.
Here's the pickup for the
The crank signal, yeah.
for the tack.
RPM, yeah. Right.
man, that. I mean, it's clean, but it just takes a little bit of time,
Yeah,
effort, and a
yeah.
dab of cash. There's 20.
Once I'm taking the brain
Yeah.
with your left hand.
Putting this water pump on, and it's all about the torque specs.
We'll snug them up.
Yeah. And then we'll wait for the click.
We'll snug them first. Resisting the urge
Yeah.
to use the air wrench.
Oh yeah.
Because it's not about fast.
Right. It's about accuracy.
Yep.
And quality. Still raining outside.
Supposed to rain most of the day.
Yeah. Progress. Really have to, yeah.
If it's fine, it's fine.
Yeah.
We can go from there.
Okay.
All right, guys. So we're all pretty much done. We're just refilling it with coolant. Yeah. Put all the stuff back together. Everything looks good. Put new thermostat in.
That looked like. Suppose we should have put the bottom hose on.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, I'm just joking.
Oh. And then I started thinking, did we? And then yeah, I remember you did.
Confidence in your work.
Yeah.
I put a radiator or a water pump on the silver 123 years ago, and
Oh,
I
yeah?
remember using torque specs and thinking, that's too tight.
That's so tight. Yeah.
You got the funnel?
Yeah, I got the funnel.
And I wouldn't finish it.
Yeah.
So I just did it by hand like these.
By hand, yeah. German tight, you know, that's what it is.
German tight?
Yeah. Guten tight.
Guten tight.
Yeah.
You know how to say Vaseline in German?
No.
Wiener Schleider.
Oh.
Non-turbo is like 67 horsepower.
Oh yeah.
But the
turbo
300D
one, like this 300D turbo, is 120, I believe, horsepower, something like that. Yeah.
I mean, it's
I
not-
believe they have it in the Haynes manual. They say, you know, all. Yeah.
The little Ford Focuses, they got 120 horse, but
Yeah, but
35 years later,
right.
and they got no flats.
Right. Okay. Let's see. Wait for the glow.
The glow plug light works, but there's no buzzer.
Yeah, I know. Ready?
Yeah.
Perfect. Was hanging there. Oh, yeah. Let's look for leaks. Yeah, yeah. This one. Yeah. Let's look for leaks.
I bet it feels like Arnold Schwarzenegger now.
Yeah,
with
yeah.
speed, with maintenance. Nothing looks crooked.
Looks pretty good for now.
That power steering belt might take a little time.
Yeah, it might be. Yeah. Still working. Yeah. Oh wait.
Oh, that's trans fluid.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
That's that leak.
Yeah, she's starting good.
That's on the list.
Yeah.
That's the word. I expect water. I expect
Yeah.
trans fluid in that water.
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta replace the transmission cooling line on this thing because it's leaking. They're pretty old.
Don't do NASCAR here.
NASCAR, yeah.
Still hitting the bucket, right?
Little bit, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a little dark too, you know?
Oh, it's not too bad to be honest with you. It's pretty good, yeah. No, it's pretty good. Maybe they even changed it at some point, but it looks pretty clean.
He kept talking about those foreign car
Yeah.
mechanics in Dyer.
Yeah.
Somebody in Dyer, Indiana.
Yeah. It's gonna take a little bit until it. Just gotta make sure I watch the temperature gauge. Yeah.
Jiggling, stop.
Mm-hmm. So right now it's level, so it should be much better now. Okay, that's good. Actually, you could go a little more.
You're testing my pouring skills?
No, it's dropping down, so yeah, keep going. Keep going. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Let's see. That might be okay. Yeah. Let's see if it's gonna. Oh, it keeps dropping down, so keep pouring it.
Yeah, it's taking it.
Bad piece of line and
Right.
said, you need to change this.
Yeah.
And he may have, and he said,
I just keep it running.
Yeah. No, this looks so clean right now. And nice.
the whole housing, you know?
Yeah.
You know, you can feel the air
Oh yeah.
being pulled in.
Yeah. Pretty good, yeah. Turbo. All the turbo, yeah. Okay, we can add some more.
Couple more weeks, she'll be ready to go into service.
Yeah.
And don't lean on the car, 'cause that way you don't pick up the.
Yeah. Let's look at the temperature. We're right there. Very good, very good. Okay, so everything is good. The temperature is good. We replaced the water pump and basically some gaskets, the thermostat and the gasket. She's all running good. Now we're gonna check we're gonna take off the right front wheel. We're gonna check because there was a lot of brake fluid on the right front wheel housing, and then the pedal once in a while goes all the way to the floor, so we're gonna check that.